Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Adobo Moto. Today we are gonna vinyl wrap this iPad Pro. So we just got my son this iPad Pro for his 9th birthday. And today we're gonna vinyl wrap it. First you need some vinyl. I already pre-cut it. And then there's this little, there's this camera and it kind of sticks out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it sticks out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-cut a hole for it on the vinyl. And what I'm using here is just some denatured alcohol to clean the back a little bit. We just opened it yesterday, so it's not too dirty. His uncle is actually supposed to get him a case for this, so we're just waiting on that. But in the meantime, he does want to use it, and I don't want him to screw it up, especially the backside. I might just keep the wrap on the backside just to keep it clean. For later on, if he does want to upgrade, he could still sell this. It has Apple Care, so I'm not too worried about him breaking it. But I just want to keep the back clean and kind of give it a different look, you know, that Adobo Moto Style. Got the sticker, of course. Let's get to it. You're gonna want to get some scissors to kind of eyeball the circle of the camera. And just kind of fold it in half and just cut a half circle. There we go. There seems to be like some kind of connectors back here, maybe for a dock, but he doesn't use a dock anyway. So I like to like hold it at an angle as I cut. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna shrink the edges. I shrank down the edges that were kind of imperfect and it made it look really nice. So that's it. That's how you wrap an iPad Pro. Boom. Here we go. Boom. There it is. All right, I gotta get to baby Olivia. If you guys like the content, please leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Peace.